Greetings fellow modelers. Today I'm looking at the Kartonowa Kolekcja. I know I butchered it, I'm so sorry. But here on a Friday night, I just wanted to give you an update as to the 133 scale model that I reduced to 1/72nd scale and I recolored it. So this original kit is a Hurricane of the Polish Squadron. I recolored it to represent the Sea Hurricane from the Royal Navy, Zulu 715. Okay, so you see the sea gray and olive drab, the high vis yellow fin, and I have cut out the hatch here, access panel, so it's here. I'm going to rest it on the wing when the build is finished. Here you see I install the tail wheel. I colored that here with silver water paint, and that silver water paint, this is what I use. All right, that's what I use. And then you see the details. I'm not sure if you can see it, but you see the control levers like that would be in the 133, the multi-layered seat belt, and the instrument panel. I wish you could see it, but yeah, pretty much this is the model. I feel really good about it. I did the elevator in down position as it's resting, so it should be like this, and pretty much that's it. We have the spinner that's to be done and the formwork for the spinner. So that's what my next build will be focused on in this. I can't wait to get this to you by before the first half of this year. So that's it. So until then, my friends, take care, walk good, and as always, one love.